Hi, in today's video I'm going to be talking about forex trading versus binary options trading. So I'm going to talk about the differences and help you know which one is better or which one should you go for. But before I explain the differences, the advantages and disadvantages of forex trading or binary options trading, let me first try to define what forex trading is and what binary options trading is. So I'm going to start with forex trading. So what is forex trading? Well, forex trading always involves selling of one currency in order to buy another. That is why it is quoted in pairs. So as you can see on my left hand side, we've got pairs such as XBP, USD. So the foreign exchange or forex can be defined as a network of buyers and sellers who exchange currencies at a predetermined price. So it is the process by which individuals, businesses and central banks convert one currency into another. So if you have ever traveled abroad, you have almost certainly done so. So while in some forex exchange is done for practical reasons, so when it comes to the majority of currency conversions are usually done in order to make a profit. So because of large volume of cash that is converted every day, some currencies price changes can be quite erratic. So this means that this volatility is what makes forex so appealing to traders. So it increases the possibility of large earnings while simultaneously increasing the danger. This is it about forex trading. So what about binary options? What is binary options trading? Well, when it comes to binary options trading, for example on derivative trader, okay, so a binary option is a fixed reward option in which you must choose between two possible outcomes and predict the outcome. So you'll be paid the agreed amount if your forecast is right, and if you don't, you lose your investment. So the term binary refers to the fact that there are only two possible outcomes, which is price going up or down, or which is lose or win. Okay, so these are some definitions. So let me try now to explain in detail. So this platform you're currently seeing right now, this is the trader from Deriv, is a binary options platform. So you only have two options here. It's to either to click on rise if you predict that the price will go up, or if you predict that the price will go down, you simply click on fall. Okay, apart from that, when it comes to binary options, you choose your duration. Okay, if it's 5 minutes or 1 minute. So let me try to enter 1 minute. Okay, then when it comes to binary options, you have got the option of entering an amount you are comfortable with losing. Okay, for example, if I put in $1, it means that if my prediction is correct, I'll get the $1 plus the 72%. But if it's wrong or incorrect, I'll lose it. So let's try it. Let me click on rise. So I've predicted that within a minute, okay, it should rise. Okay, and if my prediction is incorrect, I am going to lose the $1. So let's wait for it and see what happens. So as you can see, I have lost. My prediction was incorrect. So if my prediction was correct, I would have gotten the profit. So this is how binary options trading works. Okay, so it's simple. So let me try to summarize on binary options. So when it comes to binary options, it's more like gambling. That is why you only predict up or down, and if your prediction is correct, you win. If it's wrong, you lose. Okay, so now let me go to forex trading. So how is forex trading done? So when it comes to forex trading, most of forex trading is done on MetaTrader 4 and 5, and this right here is MetaTrader 5. Okay, so on forex trading using MetaTrader 5, you can actually see like there's a lot of complex stuff here, but I've got the videos about MetaTrader, what all these things you're seeing here mean if you are new to MetaTrader. So when it comes to forex trading, okay, so when it comes to forex trading, you don't usually enter the amount you're willing to lose, rather you use what is called lot sizes. So a standard lot size is equivalent to 100,000 units of the base currency in your forex trade. So the higher the lot size, okay, the more money you can make and the more money you can lose, okay. But if your account is low on funds, you cannot be allowed to use a large lot size, okay. So when it comes to other pairs and indices, they come with different minimum lot sizes. Some might allow you to use a lot size of 0.001, some only a lot size of 0.010, okay. So this is another feature of forex trading, is that you control what, okay, you can win or lose. So the other difference between binary options and forex trading is that you are not limited by time. So when it comes to binary options, like you have to enter in the time, okay, for example 3 minutes or 10 minutes. But when it comes to forex trading, you are not required to enter the time when your trade should expire. So this is a good advantage to forex than to binary options. So let me just draw something to explain what I mean. So I'm going to draw something like okay, so imagine this is a price movement, okay. Then probably you draw some trend lines, okay. And if you trade trend lines, so when price breaks out of this trend line, you might enter a trade, okay. But when it comes to binary options, not only entering a trade, you have to also enter in the time your trade should expire. So it's easy to predict price coming down, but it is not easy to predict how long it will take to price coming down, because price cannot just come straight down, okay. It might take some time for price to finally reach down, such as maybe it might continue going up, and then now finally it might come down. So just for it to reach down here, instead of just taking 3 minutes, it might take maybe an hour or 30 minutes or so. So that's the good advantage of forex trading, is that you're not limited to time. As long as your prediction is correct, then you are good. So the other advantage or the other feature of forex trading is that it comes with other features, such as, for example, instead of entering trades there and then, you can actually choose a pending order. So what is a pending order? For example, a buy limit is a limit you set to buy when price reaches a certain level, okay. A sell limit to sell when price reaches a certain level. Then there's also there's also stop loss and take profit. So when it comes to forex trading, you actually control your losses by putting in a stop loss, and you can control your take profit by entering your take profit level. So if you do not want to spend time looking at charts, you can simply enter in your stop loss and your take profit. So in this case, if you're following this indicator for signals, okay, your stop loss might be at this arrow, okay. Then you can set your take profit at any level, even here or here. So when it comes to forex trading, you have control over everything. You'll be able to control your stop loss and your take profit, okay. So the other difference between binary options and forex trading is that when it comes to binary options, you can only trade them on their platforms. You can't really trade binary options on MetaTrader 5 or 4. So it limits you from using other custom indicators. So there are other custom indicators that people have made, such as I myself, which is the Deriv Reaper, which can give you signals like this. So this indicator only works on MetaTrader 5, and you cannot install it on a binary options platform. So this means that you have to rely on installed indicators for you to become profitable. But if you go on YouTube, searching for binary option strategies, you're going to find that all the strategies out there make use of indicators which are lagging or repenting indicators which are not really good. Okay, so the other advantage of forex trading is that you can as well make use of expert advisors. So what are expert advisors? Well, expert advisors are simply robots that you can program and they auto trade for you. So I'm not sure if there are any robots in binary options, but I don't think there is any, so there's nothing like that. Okay, but when it comes to derivative, you can actually program a trading bot using dbot. Okay, or you can try IQ option or other binary options trading platform. So now to conclude, you might be having a question like, which one should you go for, binary options or forex trading? So let me just summarize. When it comes to binary options, you predict if price will rise or fall. Then you set the expiration and you set your stake amount, how much you're willing to lose, and that's it. You're going to go. Okay, but when it comes to forex trading, you actually have got control over everything and it does not limit you. Okay, so now let me talk about my advice. So if you're having a hard challenge finding out which one is best for you, okay, so let me first tell you about my history of my trading journey. So when I first started trading, I started trading binary options. By that time, I didn't know the difference between these two. All I knew was that everything is forex. Okay, and that's the case for almost everyone. Almost everyone I know who has studied forex trading usually started from binary options trading. But starting your forex journey from binary options is a bad idea. Okay, so binary options trading may seem to be simple. It is actually not simple, because if you start trading with binary options, what you're going to be doing is gambling. So if you'd like to become profitable in binary options, you first need to learn about trend lines. Okay, learn about trend lines. Okay, and learn about support and resistance lines. Okay, these are the most important things you have to learn about. Okay, they can help you trade the breakouts and so on. Okay, then the most important part you have to learn is candlestick patterns. Okay, so if you really want to be profitable in binary options trading, you really need to know and master some candlestick patterns. Okay, so candlestick patterns will help you know what to do if price will really go up or down. So these things, they can as well help you in forex trading. Okay, so what I would encourage you first of all is to start with forex trading. Once you are good in forex trading, then go to binary options. Okay, so this is based on my experience, but you can try both and see which one is good for yourself. So the most important part you have to start is then trend lines, then support and resistance, and then candlesticks. Once you know these three things, you'll be okay, and you won't have to rely on repenting indicators. So mastering candlesticks, drawing better support and resistance lines and trend lines can be a big problem, but luckily for you, on my online store I actually have tools that can help you with all this. So all you have to do is simply visit my online shop. Okay, and simply, so these arrows you are seeing here, which are buy and sell arrows, are actually coming from the Reaper, which is my indicator. It works for all currencies and all indices. It's actually $29. Okay, then the indicator I'm talking about is this one. So this indicator will actually draw candlestick patterns on the chart, so you will not have to memorize candlestick patterns. So it will show them on your chart in form of arrows. Okay, the other indicator you need to have is the trend indicator and the support and resistance. So what this does is that it can help you draw support and resistance lines. And I also have got, you can as well use the color spike detector. So the color spike detector is a trend line indicator. It can help you know trends. So these are the indicators I recommend you downloading. So if you need more videos on forex trading or binary options, feel free to comment. If you have got a question, feel free to comment. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.